Are you looking for the best projector ceiling mount? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best projector ceiling mount on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Peerless-AV PRG-UNV. The Peerless-AV PRG-UNV Precision Gear Projector Mount is a high-quality ceiling mount designed for multimedia projectors weighing up to 50 pounds, 22 kilograms. Built with Peerless-AV's precision gear design, it allows smooth and accurate image alignment using 2 easy-turn adjustment knobs for fine tilt and roll control. The mount features a universal spider adapter plate that extends up to 17.63 inches to fit a wide range of projector models, while offering 360 degrees swivel, plus or minus 20 degrees tilt, and plus or minus 10 degrees roll adjustments for perfect positioning. It comes pre-assembled to simplify installation and includes built-in cable management for a clean setup. The mount also has a quick-release mechanism for easy access to the projector during maintenance and supports both flush ceiling mounting and extension column setups. Finished in durable black powder coating, the PRG-UNV is UL listed, RoHS, and TAA compliant, ensuring safety and reliability. With its strong build, precise adjustability, and compatibility with most projectors, it's an excellent choice for home theaters, classrooms, and professional AV installations. Number 2. Drop Ceiling Projector Mount. The Vivo Mount VP07DP Universal Adjustable Drop Ceiling Projector Mount is a suspended drop-in ceiling tile mounting kit designed for easy projector installation in offices, classrooms, and home theaters. Measuring 2 by 2 feet, this mount replaces a standard ceiling tile, fitting seamlessly into most grid-style ceilings. It features a universal design compatible with the majority of projectors on the market and offers full adjustability, including tilt, swivel, and rotation, to achieve the perfect projection angle. The mount's white powder-coated finish blends cleanly with ceiling tiles, maintaining a neat and professional appearance. Built for durability, it provides sturdy support while allowing height and alignment adjustments for precise projector placement. The kit includes mounting hardware, safety wires, and an extendable pole for flexible installation options. Ideal for both commercial and residential spaces, the Vivo Mount VP07DP delivers a reliable and streamlined solution for mounting projectors in suspended or drop ceilings. Number 3. QualGear Pro. The QualGear Pro AVQG-KITCA3INW Projector Mount Kit is a professional-grade ceiling mounting solution designed for secure projector installation on single-wood joists, beams, studs, or concrete ceilings. This kit includes a QualGear Pro AV projector mount, a single-joist ceiling adapter, and a 3-inch 1.5-inch NPT threaded pipe, all finished in durable white powder coating for a clean, professional appearance. Made from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel, the mount provides strong support with a maximum load capacity of up to 70 pounds, ensuring stability and safety for most projector models. It features flexible multi-axis adjustment, allowing plus or minus 8 degrees roll and 360 degrees rotation for precise projector alignment. The design provides a mounting profile of around 8 inches from the ceiling, ideal for both home theater and commercial AV setups. With its sturdy construction, adjustable design, and easy installation, the QualGear Pro AVQG-KITCA3INW offers a reliable and visually appealing solution for ceiling-mounted projectors in offices, schools, and entertainment spaces. Number 4. CGOLDENWALL Motorized Projector. The CGOLDENWALL Motorized Projector Mount Electric Projector Lift is a sophisticated ceiling-mounted solution designed to discreetly house and deploy projectors in various environments, including home theaters, conference rooms, and educational settings. This lift features a maximum load capacity of 44 pounds, 20 kilograms, accommodating a wide range of projector sizes. The baseplate dimensions are 18.9 inches by 18.9 inches, and it offers customizable screw configurations to ensure compatibility with different projector models. The lift's running distance extends up to 200 centimeters, 78.74 inch, allowing for substantial vertical travel to conceal the projector when not in use. Equipped with a remote control, users can effortlessly lower or raise the projector to the desired position. Additionally, the lift supports 12V trigger synchronization, enabling automatic deployment when the projector is powered on and retraction when powered off. The system operates quietly and smoothly, thanks to its powerful tubular motor and electromagnetic brake design, ensuring a seamless and professional presentation experience. Number 5. Vogel's PPC 1540 Projector. The Vogel's PPC 1540 projector ceiling mount is a versatile and robust solution designed for ceiling installations of projectors weighing up to 20 kilograms, 44 pounds. This mount features a height-adjustable telescopic pole with a range of 400 mm to 550 mm, allowing for precise alignment and flexibility in various ceiling heights. The mount supports a 360 degrees swivel and a 15 degrees tilt, enabling optimal projector positioning. Its cable inlay system, CIS, runs the full length of the pole, facilitating easy cable management and a clean installation. The mount is TV certified, ensuring safety and quality standards. Available in both silver and white finishes, it is suitable for a wide range of projector models and installation environments. With a 5-year warranty, the PPC 1540 offers durability and peace of mind for professional and home theater setups.